GibsonAI is the latest AI software that's been making waves for all the right reasons. In this review, we're going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about GibsonAI, the best just released AI software that could change the way you work. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know if this tool is worth adding to your digital toolkit. First off, GibsonAI brings advanced automation and AI-driven analytics that can significantly optimize your workflow. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or content creation, GibsonAI can simplify tasks, making your operations faster and smarter. From generating copy to predictive analysis, it's designed to save you time and effort. One of the biggest draws of GibsonAI is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an expert to jump in and start seeing results right away. It has a clean, intuitive design that anyone can get accustomed to. Whether you're an entrepreneur or part of a larger team, GibsonAI is built to scale with your needs. And the best part, you can try it for free. There's a link below for you to dive right in. Another key feature is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale. If you're working in digital marketing, this feature is a game changer. You can create blog posts, social media updates, and even email campaigns with a few clicks. The AI isn't just spitting out generic content either. It's contextual, relevant, and optimized for engagement. With GibsonAI, you won't have to worry about time-consuming content creation. Now, let's talk analytics. One of the standout features of GibsonAI is its predictive analytics tool. It doesn't just report on past data, it predicts future trends. This is invaluable for anyone involved in strategic decision-making. You'll get insights that allow you to adjust your approach before trends fully unfold, giving you a serious edge over the competition. And if you're wondering about its AI learning capabilities, GibsonAI excels here too. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This means, over time, it becomes even more efficient, tailoring its suggestions and outputs to better suit your needs. For teams working on long-term projects, this is a real asset. But let's not forget about its integration capabilities. GibsonAI seamlessly connects with most major platforms and apps, making it a highly versatile addition to your tech stack. Whether you're using CRM tools, email marketing software, or analytics platforms, you can expect smooth integration without a hitch. That level of connectivity ensures you're not wasting time jumping between systems. Lastly, GibsonAI comes with solid customer support, something that can be hard to find with newer software. Whether you need technical assistance or just have a general question, you can count on a responsive support team ready to help you troubleshoot. Now, to summarize, GibsonAI is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly AI software that stands out in today's crowded market. Whether you're looking for content generation, predictive analytics, or an overall smarter workflow, this software delivers. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself with the free trial link in the description. And if you're interested in exploring other AI tools, I've included a list of my recommended software below. After testing thousands of AI platforms, I've selected the ones that truly stand out. Try them out and see which one works best for you. That's it for today's review of GibsonAI. Thanks for watching.